Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's video is going to be another crimping tutorial. I do have a crimp tutorial on my channel, so if you would like to see that video as well, please click in the description box to check it out, and I will link it above in the eye. So I'm not going to talk at all in this video. I just want to go ahead and give a shout out to the two people who commented on my previous videos, and that is Adrian and Trina Beauty. So thanks ladies for watching my videos. And if you guys want a shout out, please comment on this video. And if you are the first comment, I will shout you out in my next video. But without further ado, I just want you guys to enjoy this video. Watch, learn, crimp hair with me, whatever have you. Just enjoy the video, guys. And I will see y'all in my next video. Okay, so y'all seen in my previous video that I did crimp the last wig, so I'm just gonna repeat the same steps to the top, and then when I get to the closure, I'm gonna come back on camera and show y'all how I styled that up. So just, I'll be back. So as y'all can see, I reached the top of the closure. So now I'm going to go and hot comb Well, I'm gonna come back and hot comb the roots of the hair and get it all situated. And I'm not gonna be doing the baby hairs for this video, so just keep watching, stay tuned. And the video is almost over, guys. Super cute. And yeah, so this concludes the video, y'all. I'm not gonna do the baby hairs like I said, but yes, this is how I styled my client's wig. This is what she wanted. If you are interested in getting a wig made, DM me, okay?